Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then, meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Cancer, the moon is in your 10th house, which is about your career, your reputation, yung legacy mo. So I think mas bibigyan mo ng attention ngayon yung trabaho mo. I think meron kang mga sisimulan, no? This can be a new business, a new career, and whatever is you feel like no longer serving your highest good pagdating sa trabaho mo, you're going to release that, no? This can be anything. Pwede ring yung mga routines or ginagawa mo na hindi na nakakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong trabaho, ng iyong career. And yung iba sa inyo, maaring i-reconsider nyo, lalo na if you are, kung kayo ay work from home setup, so i-reconsider nyo ngayon kung babalik kayo sa office work, office job. Maaring you want to have that experience again of going out, being parang nakikisalamuha ka sa maraming katrabaho, or, being more outgoing this time. Yun nga lang, maaring, may parang decision making ka dyan kasi pwedeng merong pumipigil sa'yo of going back to that setup from work from home to corporate or vice versa. Okay? So, meron din ditong challenging situation for you sa inyong finances, no? Maaring, yung iba maaring magkaroon ng problema or issue with someone na kaibigan mo related sa pera or sa isang gamit. Pwedeng hiniram niya, hindi na binalik na gamit or pera, or it's vice versa. Pwedeng magkaroon ng issue, pwede mag-away. Some of you naman, pwede tong sa grupo, sa group chat ninyo, or sa community na kinabibilangan mo. Pwede ring magkaroon ng competition. Competition between friends or among your friends, kung sino yung mas magaling. So, yung iba sa inyo, kaya siguro parang you feel like, I also want to be out there na have your own career. Kasi sometimes you feel like parang parang working from home is hindi siya ganun ang tawag doon, ka-public, of course. So, mas gusto mo ngayon na bumalik sa corporate and meet new people. Let's see what else. Kaya lang baka yung iba sa inyo pinipigilan ng family. You also have the Star card. You have the Queen of Coins. See, you are reaching your goals and dreams. Marami ka pang pangarap para sa finances mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. At yun yung inspiration mo ngayon to make it happen. You also have the Ace of Cups. I think merong offer yung iba sa inyo. This can be a good offer. So, example, you are working from home and then merong nag-offer sa iyo ng work, pero office work yun or corporate job na kailangan iwanan mo yung work from home setup mo. You also have the Three of Cups. Yes, some of you, maaring you will be connecting more with a lot of people. If ikaw yung tipo na medyo nasa bahay lang lagi, maaring ngayon gusto mong magpalawak ng network mo. You want to meet new friends and people, connections. With the Justice card, it is also an energy of balancing your life or bringing balance into your life, na pakiramdam mo hindi ka na masyadong naglalabas, or you need more conversations with other people. And I feel like this is something that you will change, no? Sa mga susunod na araw. You want to gain more control in your life. You want to be more I think more enterprising, no? Lalo na dun sa mga gustong mag-develop ng negosyo. So, syempre pagdating sa negosyo, the more, or sabi nga, your network is your network. The more connections you have, the higher, kumbaga mas mataas yung magiging chance na maging very successful yung business mo. Okay? So, that's why ngayon, you are really working towards your goals and dreams. And yung mga changes na to, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenges with your setup sa family mo, or personally sa one of your family members, or friends. But I feel like you are becoming more competitive ngayon. Okay? You want to put yourself out there and compete. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.